Hello guys, back with another video. I am going to discuss replacing drive C with the PC's primary storage device filled. When the PC's primary storage device fills, it must be replaced. The physical installation of the hard drive simply requires that you remove the original drive and replace it with a new one. Yes, you must open the PC console to perform this type of surgery. Once the drive is replaced, you use the Windows recovery environment to restore Windows. I recommend replacing the old drive C with a new one of high capacity. If you can afford an SSD instead of a hard drive, buy it. Later on in one of these videos, I'm going to talk to you about the process called cloning. It's how you keep all your drive C data but swap in a larger storage device. Assigning drive letters. Windows sees the various storage devices attached to a PC as unique. To organize the device, each is assigned the drive letter. Further, a single hard drive can be split up or partitioned into multiple storage devices, each of which can be assigned a letter. The entire drive letter model can be quite confusing, equally given by other operating systems see all storage as one big container. To start at the beginning, the primary storage device in Windows is known as drive C. Why not drive A? Because historically speaking, drive A was the original IBM PC's boot device and it was a floppy disk drive. Drive B was also a floppy disk drive. When the IBM PC XT appeared, it featured a hard drive which was given the next letter of the alphabet C. The PC has held on to this lettering scheme for compatibility purposes. In fact, even today, if you attach a floppy drive to your PC, it's assigned drive letter A. Any additional internal mass storage devices are assigned drive letters D and up. If none is available, the internal optical drive is given drive letter D. Otherwise, the optical drive gets the next available drive letter. The point here is to recognize that optical drive letter is inconsistent from PC to PC. It's always drive Z. Any external mass storage devices are assigned letters of the alphabet during the computer's boot process. These devices include external hard drives, optical drives, media cards, and thumb drives. In some cases, the letters are consistent, but they can change every time you boot the computer. Network drives can be assigned an available letter when they're connected. This process is will be covered in a later video. Drive letters are followed by a colon, as in C colon or D colon. A single physical hard drive can be divided into multiple logical hard drives. Each logical drive is then assigned a letter. For example, if the primary mass storage device has two partitions, they might show up in this computer window as drive C and D. Icons shown for drives can be either generic, such as those used in HCLSP, or specific, sometimes even looking like the drive itself or the media read by the drive. The boot drive shows the Windows logo. Optical disk icons change depending on the disk contents. For example, a musical CD uses a custom music icon. The name associated with the drive is called the volume label. You can change the names just as you can rename any file, especially for removable media. The name may help you recognize the device's contents. The name is not, however, a Windows to identify the drive. The drive that says use instead. Resolving autoplay issues. Adding storage to a PC can conjure forth the autoplay notification similar to shown here. Click on top notification to see a summary of action you can perform on the media. The list of actions depends on the media. For example, when Windows believes that the media contains mostly digital images, you see actions to import images. For media containing music, you see options to listen or import songs. Your choice is recorded, so the next time the media is inserted, the same action takes place. Still, you may want to change the action. If so, follow these steps to adjust the autoplay feature. Press the Windows button and I to open the settings app. Choose devices on the left side of the window. Choose autoplay. If autoplay bugs you, slide the master control at the top to disable the feature. Otherwise, you can click the menu below each type of storage to select default action. An action you choose takes place automatically when the storage device is attached. To be prompted every time, select the option Ask Me every time. To not be bothered with specific device is inserted. Choose Take No Action from the menu. Your goal is convenience. If you always rip your CDs into media player, choosing the autoplay option for all music into PC saves you time. Some media may contain file named attention autorun.inf. This file contains instructions on what to do when the media is inserted, such as run a setup or install program. Even if the program doesn't run automatically, you can right click the media's icon and choose the auto run command from the menu to automatically do whatever it is that the media developer prefers you to do with the media. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'll be back shortly with another one.